Imagine uploading any song and getting a fully AI-generated music video in under a minute. No editing, no software, no hassle. Sounds too good to be true? Meet Freebeat.ai. This online tool instantly transforms your music into beat-synced visuals. Just upload your track or paste a link from Spotify or SoundCloud, and the AI takes over, analyzing the vibe and creating visuals that move, drop, and pulse perfectly with the beat. It's the easiest way to create eye-catching, scroll-stopping videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and music promos, without spending hours in an editor. Everything you need to create polished, synced visuals lives in one simple platform. You'll find the link to try it out in the description below. First, create a free account. You can sign in with Google, Apple, or just use your email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, and that's where everything starts. Front and center, you'll see the platform's three main features: music video, music cover video, and video to music. These are the core tools you'll use to start creating right away. On the left side, you'll see all the agents and the toolbox. This is where all the creative tools live, like the music and video agents, music to music, video ideas to code, plus a bunch of music, video, and image apps. There's a lot to play around with here. For this walkthrough, let's start with music video. Clicking it opens it up, where it will first ask which style fits your music: singing, storytelling, or automatic. I chose automatic, where the AI listens to your track and creates the song video. There's a prompt box where you can describe a specific vibe, but I left it blank so the AI can follow the music naturally. Below that is the character section, where you can add characters to your video. Next up is the aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 for a classic widescreen look. Finally, pick your resolution. I'm choosing 1080p to keep the video crisp and high quality. Now let's pick the video style. There are tons of options: photorealistic, cyberpunk, high energy, cinematic, sketch, city pop, pixel art, digital art, and more. For this tutorial, I'm going with photorealistic and confirming it. Next up is caption. The platform has all kinds of styles, different fonts and effects. Pick one that matches your vibe, tweak it if you want, and click Add Lyrics when you're ready. You also have the option to remove the watermark. Next step is to add musics you can choose from the platform's preloaded tracks. You can upload your own song from here. Freebeat.ai also supports links from tons of sources: Spotify, SoundCloud, Suno, UDI, TikTok, Stable Audio, and Refusion. For this walkthrough, I'll paste in my song link. Once it loads, you can play it and preview the track. You can adjust the video length to fit your needs. I'm setting mine to 30 seconds. You can also select the exact lyric section you want to use. After that, you choose between fast and expert. Fast produces quick results, while expert delivers cinematic quality with enhanced camera work and transitions. I chose expert. Then there's the auto toggle. This decides if the agent does every step automatically, or if you confirm each step manually. I'm turning it on for this walkthrough, so it handles everything for us. At last, you'll choose whether the video is public or private. I'm going with public for this one. When everything looks good, just hit create and the AI will start building your video. On the left, you'll see the behind-the-scenes processing in real time, and once it's finished, the completed video will appear on the right. After just a short moment, the video is ready. Let's hit play and check it out. Wow, this came out incredible. The visuals are sharp, dynamic, and totally synced with the music. Transitions, camera moves, effects, everything looks like a professionally edited video. What normally would take hours to make is now done automatically in just a few minutes, giving you a polished, ready-to-watch music video. From here, you can download it with or without lyrics, or use the platform's simple tools to share it straight to social media. Now let's create a brand new video. This time, I'm going with the cyberpunk to give it a fresh look and feel. Next, I'll pick a song from the list. Let's give it a quick listen. Sounds great. Then, choose your video length and the lyrics section you want to use. Once that's set, hit create, and the AI gets to work. After just a short moment, it's done. Let's play it back.
Don't she do? She didn't know about me and I didn't know about Sue. I opened up the messages and had to hit the zoom. Turns out the girl was really a dude. Nigga think he slick back till I slip back. Got my lick back, turned a nigga to a knick-knack. I moved on, dropped a couple of songs, and then I went and got signed. Now it's 2021.
Okay, I just feel like this is the perfect opportunity for us to just take a second and kind of unpack what's happened to you. You know, this guy cheated on you and...
fuck it. Platinum record.
Wow, this looks amazing. The visuals are bold and vibrant, the lyrics sync perfectly with the beat, and the whole video is clean, polished, and ready to post. And that's it. Making AI-powered music videos is quick, fun, and super simple. Just pick a style, choose your lyrics, and let the AI do the rest. The platform gives you tons of flexibility. You can experiment with different video styles: photorealistic, pixel art, cyberpunk, cinematic, sketch, and more. Or even create your own custom look. The AI adapts to your song, syncing visuals and lyrics perfectly with the beat, so every video feels professional and polished. Check the link in the description to try it out and start creating your own stunning AI music videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.